Hello, in this video let's get acquainted with our integration with Monday.com. To start, you need to go to your integrations page, click to add integration and connect Monday. You will be asked to install Everhour app on your Monday account. Click on your link, then choose install. Wait when it's done. And now our app is added to your Monday account. The second step is to authorize. Again, click to install, authorize Everhour with the Monday account, and here we go. We've established the connection, and second important thing, if you'd like to track time directly inside your Monday tasks, if I now go to my Monday account, open my project. If I would like to track time directly here, I need to install browser extension. I can do it by clicking on the button here on my integrations page, which will send me to Chrome. That's my browser, but we support all major browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, and Opera. So I need to install this extension to see time tracking controls. After it's installed, I also need to authorize in it. It has been done because I've already logged into my Everhour account, but then when it's installed authorize, I need to grant access to some of my subdomains. So you can see my Monday domain. So now when it's finished, we reload your Monday page, and after it's done, you'll see our time tracking controls. Let's wait a little bit. Yeah, here we go. So this extension added some buttons. For example, you can see the timer button, some time that was already logged. I can click on this timer to continue tracking hours. If I open task details, I can see the option to continue tracking with the timer, add hours manually for today and for any previous date. Click on my time total and make updates to my time entries and set up task estimates, which become kind of general amount to spend on a task. This estimate can be total to a task, or I can make it individual. This is handy if you have multiple people dragging time into the same task. And we also add the option to set the billing type and the budget for a project. These buttons are available when you have an administrator role. You can choose the billing type and the budget directly in Monday. And then you can apply some of the options you see here. So now I can see my budget progress. Please mind that at the moment we don't sync with subtasks, so unfortunately it's not possible to track time in a subtask. You can only track time on parent tasks. And in order to understand where time was spent, you can build a report inside Everhour that can show you different items and elements from your Monday integration. So that's my report. Let me show what we have inside. Actually, I'm going to replace this particular column with task status, and you can see we sync the name of your workspace, project, section, task titles. Task number stands for ID of your tasks, and you can see whether it's opened or closed. Apart from these standard columns, you can see some of your Monday columns in this report as well. So it's possible to see the name of your column, the value from it, if you have any time reported into a task with your custom field. So that's it, what I wanted to tell you today. If you still have any questions, feel free to contact us at ask@everhour.com or click on this green question mark button to read other support materials.